Alright, so here's another aftermath from a snowstorm we had last night. 15 to 20 centimeters of wet, heavy snow. And we'd shoveled already. Built a snowman, as you can see there. Like I say, we've shoveled already. And this is just what's left over from the night last night. But okay, there's the temperature hovering around 0. Alright, there's the, looks like everything is pretty white, eh? There's the tree out front, heavy with snow. And you can see I've got a bit of work this morning. The plow went by last night, sidewalk and road plow. So this is the work I have to do on the driveway this morning. It's pretty crazy. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. Here's my snowman. It's quite a big guy this time. A little bit leaning to the right there, so but look at the mounds of snow we got. There's the house. Bit of snow up there too, and the problem is it's very heavy. Alright, I better get to work. I've got about probably half an hour of shoveling here, maybe finish this up. You can hear the snow crunching. Alright, bye-bye. And so here we are about 40 minutes later after I finished shoveling. Nice and clear. Probably the hardest shoveling job I've ever had. Heavy, wet snow, a couple feet at the end of the driveway. Pretty crazy. Snowbank's taller than me now. Alright, gotta go to work.